Do you feel like a weak man? Are you willing to change your life to become strong? Then this video is for you. Today we're gonna talk about how to become more masculine. This is a topic that can be approached from many different angles, but I want to focus on a few key areas that can help you feel more confident, assertive, and in control of your life. So let's begin. The first and perhaps most obvious area to focus on when it comes to becoming more masculine is physical fitness. Men have traditionally been seen as strong and physically capable, and there's a reason for that. Building strength, endurance, and athleticism not only helps you look better, but it also gives you a sense of confidence and capability that can carry over into other areas in your life. So how do you get started with improving your physical fitness? First, you need to make a commitment to regular exercise. This could be as simple as going for a daily walk or jog, or it could involve more intense forms of exercise, like weightlifting or martial arts. The key is to find an activity that you enjoy and can stick to over long term. Another important factor in physical fitness is nutrition. Eating a healthy diet that is rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates can help you build muscle, lose weight, and feel more energized throughout the day. Make sure to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods and avoid processed or junk foods as much as possible. Another important aspect of masculinity is mental toughness. Men are expected to be resilient in the face of challenges and able to handle stress and adversity with grace and composure. This is not always easy, but there are steps you can take to build your mental toughness and resilience. One key strategy is to develop a growth mindset. This means approaching challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than as threats to your ego or self-esteem. It also means being open to feedback and criticism, and using it to improve your performance and skills over time. Another important aspect of mental toughness is emotional regulation. This might involve practicing mindfulness or meditation. Finally, let's talk about confidence and assertiveness. These are perhaps the most important traits associated with masculinity, as they reflect a sense of self-assuredness and the ability to take charge of your life and relationships. One important aspect of confidence is self-esteem. This means believing in your own worth and value as a person, and not relying on external validation or approval to feel good about yourself. You can build your self-esteem by setting goals and achieving them, practicing self-care and self-compassion, and surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people. Assertiveness, on the other hand, involves the ability to communicate your needs and desires in a clear and direct manner without being overly aggressive or confrontational. This might involve learning how to say no when you need to, setting boundaries with others, and being willing to stand up for yourself and your values. So there you have it, some key strategies for becoming more masculine. Remember that masculinity is not a fixed or static concept, and that there are many different ways to express it. The most important thing is to be true to yourself and your own values, and to strive for continual growth and self-improvement in all areas of your life. Whether you're looking to build strength and fitness, develop mental toughness and resilience, or cultivate confidence and assertiveness, there are always steps you can take to become a better, more confident and more masculine version of yourself. So what are you waiting for? Start taking action today and watch as your confidence, strength and overall sense of well-being begin to soar. Remember, becoming more masculine is not about conforming to a narrow set of stereotypes or expectations. It's about finding your own unique path and living your life with purpose, passion, and authenticity. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.